Hello again. Welcome to this demo about the database that can allow you to can help you to convert Oracle documents into binary objects and then organize them and retrieve the data from those documents. The search box I showed you in the previous part here is just for basic search in the title of the document. Or any of the metadata about this document you can see here in this interactive report on the screen. But if you want to search into the contents of a document, you can use more advanced search retrieval features like Oracle AI vector search. But before you can use the AI vector search, you need to vectorize the document. Let me show you again the document we have uploaded and imported into the database as a binary object. This is the technical paper about quality of service in Oracle 19c. And this is the PDF. I can select it from here, from the list of documents I have available in my repository. And I'm going to send I will create the embeddings. I will vectorize the document. It actually breaks it into multiple chunks, and each chunk gets vectorized in order to be processed by AI vector search. It's going to take a few seconds for the vectorization process, and you can see here I have 18 vectors, and I can check the metadata. So let me show you how the vectors look like. So from the PDF document, the information that is extracted in text, in free text from the PDF looks like this. And you can see here, the formatting is not the best possible format because this is exactly how the text is stored in a binary PDF file. This is the text extracted directly from the binary PDF file. It looks like this. In order to process the information in a better way, let me go back to my vectors page. We can check the metadata about the document, and we can use Markdown to format the chunks, the portions of text that have been extracted from the PDF document. So this is the PDF document again. It looks like a normal PDF technical paper, and I'm going to ask the AI to format in a Markdown, using the Markdown code, all the content I retrieved in text from the PDF document. It also takes a few seconds because now I'm working with Oracle GenAI services in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure to using the artificial intelligence capabilities, the integration with Oracle database 23AI to make the formatting of that text you have seen that I have extracted from my PDF document. Also, I can extract individual lines from the PDF document. Let me see when this is going to be finished. It's still running. The process has finished formatting my document, and now you can see here I have 18 vectors. The number is still the same, but if I click on the vectors, I will see them in a Markdown format. So you can see that my document looks a little bit nicer than it looked before. My AI capabilities in Oracle 23AI were able to format the information that has been extracted from my document in a nicely good-looking Markdown format that is displayed by this report on the screen here. So this is the first chunk, number 1. And also this is the second chunk. For example, I can see this paragraph here, data center runtime management requirements. I have it in the index, but also I have it in my document. So this paragraph, the basic tenants under which database QoS management paragraph has been transformed here exactly with the 3 bullet points you can see in the in the document PDF text. So this is how it looks like. And I can go back to my document metadata, and I can extract the lines from the markdown format. This will take also a few seconds to perform the extraction. And you can see here, I have 270 lines. And if I go back to my vectors, I can take any of the chunks, for example, this one, and I can see individual lines. So this is the chunk here, again, in the markdown format. And these are the individual lines. This chunk has 18 lines in text that has been extracted from the PDF document, from the PDF technical paper. And also I can ask questions about the PDF document. Let me stop the search here. So the basic sentence under which the Oracle database was developed can be distilled into 3 statements. Let me ask about this one, this tenants under which Oracle database QS management was developed. And I can go here and I can perform a search. What are the basic tenants in which? And let me ask the question. So I can perform a retrieval augmented generation using the AI capabilities of the Oracle 23 AI. So you can see here there are 3 bullet points that can be seen also on the PDF document. So I can search into the contents of my PDF document using advanced retrieval techniques like AI vector search. And you can see the 3 bullet points that I was asking about, they are included in the answer. So the first one is when resources across the data center are sufficient, they are continuously deployed. When resources across the data center are sufficient, they are continuously deployed. The second bullet point is when resources are insufficient to meet demand, more business critical objectives will be met. This is the second. When resources are insufficient, business critical objectives take precedence over the critical. It processes the data. It will actually summarize the answer in a shorter form, but actually you have the same bullet point. And the third one is when load conditions severely executed capacity, severely exceed capacity, resources remain available. This is the third bullet point. In severe load conditions, resources remain available even when capacity is exceeded. So the information has been processed a little bit, but the idea, the answer is exactly the same. So this is how you can retrieve information from your documents once they are managed and organized by the database, Oracle Autonomous Database. Thank you for watching.